how to create a drop-down menu in your Shopify store. So if you're selling your products on Shopify store, then you're completely aware about that fact. If your store looks better, if your store looks professional, and if your store is having a good navigation bar, so it will be easy for them to learn the structure of your store, so they can navigate to your Shopify product page, they can navigate to your About Us page, story page, contact us page, and it will be easy for them to navigate to your particular product category. Like for example, if you are selling pet products and you are selling some products in different category like home and kitchen or sports and outdoor, so it will be super important for you to make the menus and sub menus for that particular product or categories. So all of those customers who are visiting your store will be able to see your products category, like in which category you are selling your product. For example, if your three main categories are pet, kitchen and sports and outdoor, so they will be able to see that tree in which they can see the main categories pet, sports and kitchen, and then if they want to purchase a particular product in any particular category, for example sports, so they can click on a sports menu. So in that way they will only be able to see the products which are from that category. And on the other case, if you don't create these kind of menus, so your customer will have to put the effort in finding out the product, because whenever they click on your product page, they will be able to see the mixed product like a pet product, a kitchen product and a sport product. So it will be very hard for them to find out the product they want. And more likely in these kind of cases where they don't find any category or menu, they can just leave your store without purchasing any product and they can purchase the product from any other store. So right now at this point, if you also want to learn how you can actually create the menus on your Shopify store and how you can actually categorize your product categories, then keep on watching this short video completely till the end without skipping any part, because this is a very short video, but this video will be very helpful for you if you're in Shopify store. And if you implement this method, then this thing will actually help you to increase the conversion rate of your Shopify store, so you can actually get more and more sales and earn more and more profit. As you can see here, this is my today's sales for Shopify, and if I put the filter for past month, you can see that in past month I got almost $5,400 revenue. And the cool thing about this is that I only focus 40% on paid marketing and 60% on organic traffic. And if you go on my YouTube channel, you can find out these free playlists on Shopify, on Pinterest and on TikTok. And if you watch all of those videos for free on these playlists, you will be able to know like how I actually generate free traffic from these social media platforms on my Shopify store, from TikTok, from Pinterest. And if you watch all of these videos in my Shopify playlist, so you will be able to know like how I optimize my Shopify store to get more sales, more conversion with less spend. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have just opened my store just to show you. So you can see that this is the main page of the store, this is the header, this is the tagline, the main image. On the top left corner you can see the logo, and on the right corner you can see this menu. And this menu right now is having only 3 buttons: home, shoehorn and our story. And if I go down, you can see that there is a featured collection having 3 products, and if I go further down, I can see the main product which is shoehorn, and this is the price of that product, these are the variation, and if I go further down, I can see the footer menu. So on the top you can see that this is the menu, home, shoehorn and our story. So let's just create an additional menu in that menu, which will be the product menu, and whenever a customer hover that menu, they will be able to see all of our products like this. So just like that, you can just use the same technique to create any menu. For example, right now in this store, I am having only 4 products. But if you are having 15 products or even 100 products, and 20 products belong to the pet category, 20 products belong to the sports category, and the rest products belong to the kitchen category. So you can just sort them in the form of menus, so it will be easy for a customer to navigate to the particular product they want. So in order to create a navigation menu, you need to go on the backend dashboard of your Shopify store, and from here on the left side, you need to click on this online store sales channel. And when you click on that, you will be able to see some other options like theme, blog post, pages and navigation. So in order to create a new menu or create some new items in an already existing menu or create a navigation, you need to click on this navigation bar. And here you will be able to see all of those available menu on your store. So right now in my store, I am having only 2 menus, a main menu and a footer menu. But if you want to create some new menu, some additional menu, so from this add menu button, you can just create a new menu. So right now you can see that in footer menu, I am having some pages like search, terms of service, refund policy and privacy policy. So let's just go on the main page, and if I go down, I can see these are the pages on my footer menu. If we go back, and we can see how many menus are there in our main menu, so we can see 3: home, shoehorn and our story. So let's just go and check home, shoehorn and our story. So now let's add some more items in that menu, and for that we need to go back again here and click on this main menu. So after clicking on that main menu, I will be able to edit that menu. you can see that in this menu we are having only 3 items. So from the right side we can just edit these items or even delete these items. And if you want to add a new item, so you can just add from this add menu item here. So let's just click on this plus bar, and then from here we can just any link here. Let's suppose we want to add some product here. So let's just click on here, search for products, and then we can see all of those products here. So let's add all of those products one by one. Like shoehorn is already present there, so let's add the rest 3. Electric food grinder, add menu, products, portable glass bag, add menu, products, and then the last one, punk glasses, and click on add. So as you can see here, we are having all of those 4 products present here. So now from the main page you already know that this is our main product, which is shoehorn, and these 3 are the other products. So we can just put all of these other products under the main product, which is shoehorn. So in order to put that product under that menu, we just need to click on this button on the left side and drag that product under shoehorn. And we need to do the same for others like portable glass organizer and a third one, which is glass. So if you zoom a little, so we can see that there is an error. The main product is shoehorn and the sub product is electric food grinding tool, and we want to make this product as a sub product for shoehorn, not this one. So we can just drag it on top left under the shoehorn, and we need to do the same for this third one. We can just click and drag on top left under the shoehorn. So here you can see that if we zoom out, you can see all of the 3 other products are under shoehorn now. So in that way you can just add or delete any other item in that menu, and you can just make any navigation from here. So now let's click on the save button on the top right corner and see how this menu will look like. Let's click on save, and after saving you can see that menu updated. And if you go on the store and go up and click on refresh, then when you hover on the shoehorn button, you will be able to see these 3 products under that button. So in that way you can just create any menu, and then you can just put all of those items under that menu. You can see that this is the main menu, shoehorn, and these products are under that menu. So in the same way, if you want to make 3 categories, pet, sports and kitchen, so you can just add all of those categories here, and then you can just add all of those products falling under that category under that particular menu. So by doing that, it will be super easy for your customers to navigate throughout all of those menus and purchase the product they want and they like. So if on your Shopify store you have not created these kind of menus yet, then right after watching this video, go there, create your menus, and make the purchase process for your customer super easy and super fast. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.